everybody, I'm Mark, and today we are making a beautiful set of decorative books for my guest room. Now, it's always a great idea to have some books in your guest room for your guests to read before they go to bed. But the great thing about this stack of books is they look great as decor, and they have another purpose. Thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hey. Are you ready? Let's make some decorative books. Bookbinding began with educated monks as early as the 6th century, who would protect their hand-transcribed manuscripts with wooden boards encrusted with metal and jewels. Along with a good book in any guest room, I also like to have the Wi-Fi password written down, storage hooks, some extra toiletries, and a basket filled with snacks and water. The oldest printed book is still in existence. It's the Diamond Sutra, a Buddhist religious text, which dates back to 868 AD. It was found in 1907, having remained hidden for nearly 1,000 years. The #1 selling book of all time is The Da Vinci Code by Dan Brown. Number 2, 3, and 4 are all Harry Potter books by J.K. Rowling. I'm going to leave a link to Redesign with Prima and everything I use for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration. I think you'll like Pulp Fiction Perfect Paper Projects. Wow, that's a mouthful. And I will see you next week. Bye.